What's up, Insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown of the price list update summary video series. There are 32 new line items added to the Xactimate price list in March 2025. Let's take a look. There are 5 new cabinetry line items around cabinetry restoration, finishing, installation material. These are all bid items. There are 8 new line items in the RFG, or 9 new line items in the RFG category around roof patches, bitumen roof patches, rubber roof patches, single ply roof patches, anywhere from up to 4 patches, 5 to 9 patches, 10 to 15 patches. We will talk about these in the full video for sure later this month. We also have a collection of new line items in the TCR, trauma and crime remediation. These are contents-oriented activities inside of the TCR category here. We also have a new line item in the temporary category, TMP rail, for temporary railing using 2x4 material, as well as a collection of new WTR water remediation line items around tearing out countertop subdeck. Boom! We try to keep this under 90 seconds because it's a rapid rundown. Be sure to take a look at the full price list update summary video later this month when we talk about how to use these new line items and the changes to existing line items in the Xactimate price list. Thank you.